Well, the great thing about the Viprinet technology for us is that we're able to combine bandwidth, coverage and availability and bring that to the customer as a secure, bonded connection.
Customers in general are excited about the possibilities that the Viprinet technology is providing them.
It is a true bonding router, so it does proper aggregation of the available WAN links. It's not a load balancer, and that's very important. It performs very well on 3G and 4G networks, which are demanding, they're lossy and they're unreliable. Viprinet has deep QoS, so you can configure different bonding modes, etc. for different applications. It's highly secure. Its architecture is flexible, so you have clever routing available for different infrastructure, different installations.
For Viprinet in our market, we see the most exciting features lies in the ability to bond numerous mobile connections. And the interesting part of that is that this is enabling new technologies or new applications that previously were unthought of.
So with Viprinet we can combine multiple consumer lines and make it possible to get everywhere, all over Holland, good bandwidth and create 100% uptime with that at low cost.
Video conferencing or live, very low latency video communications has a high demand when it comes to transporting data. The longer your latency, the worse your experience gets. So what Viprinet made possible for the first time was bonding all local carriers we have available in Germany.
The BBC use Viprinet in their news gathering vehicles for conducting live interviews out on the street and various locations. They use it instead of VSAT or RF links, which they previously used. It's a cheaper option and it's very easily deployed, very quickly deployed, and it's very low latency and highly reliable.
In the Nordics we have a lot of coastline, and also we have a lot of ferries. We have equipped several hundred ferries with Viprinet equipment as a service provided to the passengers to provide them with internet access while on a ferry, for instance. One example is a ferry that commutes between Copenhagen in Denmark and Oslo in Norway. Previously this ferry was serviced by a satellite which would give them maybe 4 to 6 megabits for the entire ship with 1,000 passengers. By complementing this with a Viprinet router, we are now up to between 50 and 70 megabit per second on this ferry.
Well, the biggest advantage, according to our customers, is that they now actually realize 100% uptime. So it's not theoretically, it's practically 100% uptime.
Viprinet is a very agile company when it comes to cater for customer needs. Whenever there are special problems in customer projects, Viprinet is willing to work on these challenges together with us. And in most cases we can find a very good solution that a mainstream vendor wouldn't be able to produce in the same time frame.
The majority of our customers that trial Viprinet end up buying Viprinet, and most of our customers end up buying more Viprinet. And I think that's a very good sign.